Hey, what's up, guys? Amber Heard has fired her PR team just days before she's set to testify after a torrent of, quote, bad headlines. This is coming from the New York Post. As you can see, Amber Heard is so upset over the coverage she's been getting in her court battle with Johnny Depp that she abruptly switched to a new PR team ahead of her highly anticipated testimony this week, the Post has learned. The Aquaman actress has ditched crisis PR firm Precision Strategies Thursday after getting frustrated with the press she's received since her bombshell defamation trial kicked off last month. She doesn't like bad headlines. Well, really, who does? Who likes bad headlines? And Amber Heard is not winning these headlines. She knows she's not winning these headlines. Things have been going very poorly for her. Johnny Depp is winning over the public by having this trial broadcast. The public is looking at this going, you know what? Amber Heard's kind of a monster. And I'm not seeing a whole lot of information about what she's accused Johnny Depp of. Here we go. Depp, of course, is suing Amber Heard for $50 million, claiming his ex-wife defamed him in a 2018 op-ed where she discussed being a victim of domestic violence. And of course, another source says she is frustrated with her story not being told effectively. Her lawyers have argued that Depp abused the actress physically and sexually. Notice what's missing from here. Notice what's missing from here. It says that her lawyers argue. It doesn't say, importantly, it doesn't say any witnesses are testifying to this. It only says that her lawyers are arguing this. Now, the article goes on, and the article's from the New York Post, so I'll include it in the video description if you want to check it out. The article goes on to talk about her hiring a new PR team led by CEO David Shane. This is a guy who went after Johnny Depp in the previous lawsuits here, in the previous news reporting about this. And that should tell you everything. Amber Heard hired a PR team to go after Johnny Depp in the first place. This was a widespread, well-funded, well-managed, and organized campaign against a man that involved PR. It involved an offensive approach to this, and he has been on the defense for 6 years. Amber Heard fought to keep this trial off of the internet, to keep it off of television. No live streaming, no cameras. We want a private trial. Now, she had no problem publicly making claims about Johnny Depp for years, for selling footage to TMZ. She had no problem with any of that. But now she wants it private. And why is that? Because they knew what would happen the moment witnesses started coming up and testifying about what actually happened. And they're not able to support her story, and they're really able to support Johnny Depp. What they've mustered so far about Johnny Depp is that he sometimes used alcohol, he sometimes used drugs, and rarely yelled, but mostly just tried to leave the situation. And Amber Heard would hysterically scream at him to stay, and that he wasn't fighting fair by trying to get out. She's also, she's admitted to hitting him and doing all sorts of other things, and begged him to say that the Australia incident, in which she threw a bottle at him allegedly and cut his finger off allegedly, was a mutual thing, that it was between both of them, that it was a back and forth kind of thing. She's done a lot of that, but no witnesses so far have come out to testify really against Johnny Depp on any sort of physical abuse. Now, Johnny Depp is still, at the time of this recording, in his case in chief. He is still calling witnesses. Amber will start calling witnesses very, very early on this week, maybe even as early as Monday. I will be live streaming. I have been live streaming the entire trial here on this channel, Ricada Law, and you can come watch along with us. The coverage starts at 8:30 a.m. Central and goes through the end of the day every single day. If you're interested in how this trial is going, make sure you check that out. But there's one person who I'm sure we could figure out how this trial is going for them, and that's Amber Heard. Remember, firing her entire PR team in the middle of a trial. A terrible, terrible choice. She's got to get new people up to speed. They've got to get new materials created and start hitting up their contacts to try and get better headlines for her. And I don't think it's going very well. How do you guys think it's going? This is just my opinion, of course. Please drop it down in the comments. I would love to see what you think, and hopefully we'll see you on a live show. Till next time, peace. Peace.
So pour out another bag about more of that product. Spirits flow as the ones who get unemployed. So pour out a glass for the tea post on Twitter as we hear Lost Blaming tonight. From the white shores of Nam to the hills of Glenlivet, there's no one